Hey guys, it is Ashlyn here. I am a bit sick today, but I've decided to finish the lyrics units one. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'm kind of sick, so I might sound a bit weird, but okay. Maybe still be wicked. I'm rotten to the core, I'm rotten to the core. I'm rotten to the core, who could ask for more? I'm nothing like the kid next door. I'm rotten to the core, I'm rotten to the core. Cool. I'm rotten to the core, who could ask for more? Like the kid next door. I'm rotten to the. Now I think it's time you learn what your old mama said. Don't you wanna be evil like me? Like me, don't you wanna be mean? Sorry, I can't sing really that fast. Don't you wanna make mischief your daily routine? And where you can spend your life attending to a poor. I don't know. Like me, don't you wanna be mean? Don't you wanna make mischief your daily routine? I'ma love you, and did I mention there's nothing I can do? And did I happen to say I dream of you every day? And I'll shout it out loud if that's okay. Yeah, if that's okay. 'Cause my love for you is ridiculous. I never thought that it could be like this. Shout loud if that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. And what my heart was telling me, don't know what I'm feeling. Is this just a dream? Oh, just a dream. Oh, if only, yeah, if only, yeah. Will you stay with me till the pain is over? There we go. Oh, if only, yeah. Oh. Dinner, be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie a napkin, luxury, and we'll provide the rest. That's right, a tour, how a tour, why we only them a tour. Tie a napkin is delicious, don't believe me, ask the dishes. Napkin, luxury, and we'll provide the rest. That's right. Oh, I don't really know this song, that's good. Start a chain reaction, never let it stop, we set this off. Oh yeah, you can make it happen with everything you got. Happen with everything you got. Yes, I did. Comment down below if you got all them right. Goodbye.